unbox my new phone. Wow! Hey, dakuan niya, oy! And then they have freebies, screen protector, phone case, AirPods, unboxing gone wrong. Because the first that I unboxed, this one, is actually factory defect because... Good morning! Good morning, Pia! So moody. So, today, we are going to... I am roaming around here in my town because I'm going to buy a new phone for Christmas. It's a Christmas gift from someone. You know who you are. Thank you so much. Sophia, hi! Hi, Bo!
Hi!
Hi! Hi, Sophia! You're wearing seatbelt? Okay, good. Sophia is so moody today. So let's see if this area have available of the phone that I wanted. I'm so excited to have this phone actually, guys. So if this area doesn't have the phone that I want, so I am going to move to other city. So let's see, and I will vlog of course the unboxing because it's gonna be so exciting. I'm so excited, guys. I can stop smiling. Sophia! Hi! Kamugi po di mo, uy! Okay, so right now, I am here at Aqua Gym. So, they have available iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is the one that I want. This one. You want mag-rides? Unya na, unya na. Unya na. Unya na ta. You want to buy the phone, Pia? Unya na, mag-buy sa ta phone. Atubang. Bayad pa na siya, no? Dahan.
Kuan ra ba mo ay cash?
Cash ra mo?
O Gcash?
Wala mo kay Gcash. Hindi na mo credit card? So guys, I am going to unbox my new phone. Ay! Excited! Wow! Hey, dakuan niya, oy! Dakuan siya! It's so big! Charing! Wait lang, sa'yo na. So, paying this one in cash, I have to do 3 transactions, which is cash, Gcash, and bank transfer. Oh no, bank withdrawal. Ganahan ko kay mura kung naay tablet. And then they have freebies, screen protector, phone case. By the way, they only have cord. They don't have this adapter. This one. And also, I have some AirPods. Unboxing. So, this is another iPhone Pro Max.
Naadjud ni siya gikuan ako ang kauban sit kay ba. Nya siya gitusok ato dai standard niya dai na maparehas siya. So na-charging siya mga
Ay, wala lagi.
no. Nara.
Pwede na siya mukuan. Pia.
Ini ang kamera ta?
Pia.
Yan,
Dance.
nagsayo lagi
Dance.
ng meow-meow.
Pia. Kita siya sa yung TikTok. Okay, good morning guys. So right now, I am going to continue my vlog about the new phone. Hey! So I opened this one, tada, yesterday. Okay, so yesterday I opened this one, and then the first iPhone 17 Pro Max I opened is overheating. So it's actually unboxing gone wrong. So they look for another one, which is this one is the replacement, because when we open the iPhone 17 Pro Max yesterday, it's overheating. So just opening Wi-Fi and then just using the camera, so it's overheating. I don't know what happened with that phone, but I'm glad we are be able to have another one, which is this one. So I think this phone is actually legit phone, like Apple phone. So I bought them at Aqua Gym. So they have AirPods. This is freebies from their shop. They said it's authorized Apple reseller. And then this is the store. So I didn't expect that they have this kind of phone here in my town, guys. And then this is the AirPods. This AirPods is 900 pesos. Freebies. And then this is already connected to my Pro Max. And then this one is the charger. And also they have case. I opened this one also yesterday. So we're going to put this one. This is the iPhone Pro Max. So I really like this Pro Max, and I like the orange one. So if I can't find the orange one, I'm going to other shop because I really like the orange one. So I got it. Yes, I am so happy with this phone, guys. And also this is bigger than my phone. This one, it feels like I have a tablet because it's actually big. And then for vlogging, it's easier because it's long. I can hold it longer, this one, and I can hold this one too, but I think they are way almost the same, like this. And they have this function here. This is like press, then you go to camera, and then you can adjust zoom in, zoom out also in this side. See? Zoom, Pia, zoom! Si Sophia, zoom.
Ya, ano oy? Kailangan sa puning.
Yeah, that one. And also, one of the things that they like, especially Sophia, is Siri. Okay, Sophia, talk to Siri, Sophia.
Siri, 3 plus 3.
It's 6.
Siri, who's the owner of this phone?
I believe this iPhone belongs to Krishel.
Siri, when is the Christmas day?
Christmas Day is this Thursday, December 25th, 2025.
Siri, call Mama.
Calling Mama Mobile.
Kasi naka-call. I am calling Mama. So I can talk to Siri, or I can call to Mama without holding my phone actually.
Siri, call mommy.
Siri, na nga.
Calling Mama Mobile.
No, Mommy. Not Mama.
Mami.
Mommy, ako kiingon.
Gigi, come on again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Speak properly.
Siri, call mommy.
Again.
Napagaw man gud ta.
Napagaw siya. Again.
Anak, text mami na lang. I love you.
Siri, text mommy I love you.
Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Eh?
Siri, call tatay too.
No,
This
on
one.
them. Oh.
Mommy, I love you. Ay, calling tatay.
Hello.
Luhe.
Turn off na. So there's a lot of changes and there's a lot of settings that I need to know in this phone. And also I am going to test. So this is the camera. Camera test. Camera test. Hi, good morning. But they don't have adapter. So I need to buy new adapter. So yesterday the camera doesn't look good actually, guys. But I think it's the lightning.
Depende sa angle. Depende sa lightning.
Last night I update this one, so that's probably the reason why the camera looks good more this time. Sige, go.
Hey Siri, how to get on your dad?
Opo niyo?
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
ChatGPT.
You can't literally replace your dad, but you can build strong relationships with father figures who care for you. This could be through bonding with a stepdad, an uncle, a mentor, or another trusted adult. Focus on creating genuine connections with people who support and respect you. That was from ChatGPT.
Okay, ask question more.
Siri, how to get a mommy?
You want new mommy?
You want to another mommy? Naawa si mommy?
No, I want to make nanay mommy.
Hey Siri, best Christmas gift this Christmas.
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer? This Christmas, consider gifts like the DJ Furby, a screenless interactive toy praised by experts, or the Dr. Jart Plus Ceramide and Skin Barrier moisturizing mask set. They're $50.
Okay, fine.
Options include
Hey Siri, business ideas in province of Philippines.
I'll need to use ChatGPT to write that.
Sorry store, many grocery, rice and corn trading, poultry and piggery farm, fresh produce and organic vegetables, water refilling stations.
Tambah ke bawah na.
Okay. Small resort or homestay for local tourism, food delivery, local eateries, ano ba yun? Motorcycle and rental services, online selling and local products, fish and shrimps farming. Good ideas. Thank you, ChatGPT. Thank you, Siri.
You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Okay, bye everyone. I am so happy with this phone, and thank you so much for the Christmas gift. You know who you are. Thank you so much. You say thank you.
Thank you.
You say thank you, Rian Pod.
Thank you. Thank you, Siri.
Thank you, Siri. It's not Siri. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, Siri.
Bye, Siri. It's not Siri. We're not talking to Siri. Sulayan na ako. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!